Hello, Next Tech Lab family. Today we're going to dive deep into the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, a device that's making waves in the tech world. Huawei has truly raised the bar with its latest flagship, and we're here to take a closer look at everything from the unboxing to all of its incredible features. Let's not waste any time and start exploring this impressive phone. Unboxing. When you open the box, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra greets you with a comprehensive set of accessories. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, 100-watt fast charging adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, rear cover case. Huawei has been quite generous with the contents of the box. The inclusion of the fast charging adapter and the case means that you're ready to use the device as soon as you get it. These little touches make a big difference in terms of first impressions, and Huawei has nailed it in this regard. Design. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is a beautifully designed device. The exterior design and the materials used instantly convey a premium feel. Here's a closer look. Rear cover, a rubber plastic material with a leather-like finish for a sleek touch. Frame, aluminum, providing a light yet solid structure. Color options, available in green, brown, black, and white, catering to a variety of tastes. Weight and thickness. At 226 grams and 8.4 millimeters thick, it feels substantial in hand without being too bulky. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra strikes a perfect balance between robustness and elegance, offering a device that not only looks great, but feels comfortable to hold. Display. The display on the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is nothing short of impressive. The 6.8-inch OLED screen offers vibrant colors, stunning clarity, and excellent brightness. Resolution, 1260 by 2844 FHD+, with 460 ppi for sharp, detailed visuals. Refresh rate, 120 Hz, ensuring smooth and fluid interactions. PWM dimming, 1440 Hz for eye-friendly use. Brightness, capable of reaching a peak brightness of 2500 nits, making it easy to use in bright sunlight. Durability, Glass 2, providing added protection against scratches. The screen's brightness and fluidity are impressive, and it's fully usable even under direct sunlight, offering a premium viewing experience. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is powered by the Kirin 9L10 chipset, delivering exceptional performance for a wide range of tasks. Here's a breakdown. Processor. 8-core Kirin 9L10 clocked at 2.3 GHz, offering smooth performance. GPU Meilu 910 providing solid graphics performance. RAM 16 GB, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance even with demanding applications. Storage 512 GB, but there is no micro SD card support for expandable storage. Performance benchmarks confirm the strength of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Antutu 987,200 points. Geekbench single core, 1,445, 4,480. Whether it's for everyday use or heavy gaming, this device delivers impressive power. Battery and charging. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra excels in the battery department as well. With a 5,200 mAh battery, it provides all-day usage without issue. Plus, its charging technology is incredibly fast. 100 watts fast charging charges the device to full in no time. 80 watts wireless charging. Even wireless charging is fast. Reverse charging. You can charge other devices with the phone. This combination of fast charging and long battery life ensures you won't be left stranded during the day. Camera. The camera setup on the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is designed for professional level photography. The rear camera system consists of 3 powerful lenses. Main camera, 50 megapixel sensor shift OIS dual aperture, capturing sharp and clear photos. Secondary camera, 40 megapixel ultra-wide and macro, perfect for wide-angle and close-up shots. Third camera, 50 megapixel telephoto, 3.5 optical zoom, 100x digital zoom, providing amazing zoom capabilities. The front camera is 13 megapixels, capable of recording 4K video at 60 FPS. Video features. 4K video recording with HDR support for high-quality video capture. Slow motion, 1080p at 960 FPS for cinematic quality footage. With AI-powered scene detection, raw shooting, and versatile zoom options, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra provides a professional photography experience. Other features. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra offers a range of additional features that elevate the user experience. IP68 certification, dust and water resistance, making it suitable for use in all conditions. In-display fingerprint sensor, provides fast and secure unlocking. Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6 support, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity. However, 5G support is notably absent, which could be a downside for some users. Conclusion: the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra stands out with its sleek design, vibrant display, powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and fast charging. If you're looking for a high-performance device that offers a premium experience, this phone might be the one for you. What do you think about this device? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in our next reviews, and take care.